Happy birthday Umkhonto Wesizwe, happy birthday. Sithi halala kuMkhonto Wesizwe ngokuba uze ufike kulolu suku lomhla ka-16 uDisemba uZibandlela. A year ago on this day, Ubaba made the most important announcement in our political history, and today we live to see the successful results of the bravery that a man called Ubaba Ungamalala did, the sacrifice that he made for all of us who had given up. Now we have a home, and now we have to build that home, and we have to understand that there will be challenges. We must be ready for the struggles that are ahead. But we are Umkhonto Wesizwe. We know what we want, and nothing will deter us.